Hello, people. Are you looking for something that will help you earn your own money instead of asking your mom or dad for money? I got you, peep. So you only need to have these two things. So first, you have your smartphone that will support this app because not all the people in this world have these incredible smartphones. Second, you need to have this app called PayPal and have an account on it. Do not worry, because I will teach you or I will guide you the best way to earn fast and easy. So let's begin with downloading this app called GReward. So first, you go to Play Store and search for GRewards, and you will and find the GReward Earn Money Online. So in my case, I have already installed this. So if you're going to open it for the first time, you will be asked for your email, age, and gender. After you have done that, go to redeem menu and go to the bottom or scroll down to the referral. You'll see blank space there. And if you don't have any referral bonus, go write my code for instant 500 GPoints. That will be G1 S4M3. Then click submit button. After that, you'll just have to wait a couple of seconds, and you must have 500 G points. And let's go to the most exciting part of this: how to earn G points faster and easier. To earn more rewards, to earn more points, you must complete an offer. I will show you. So you got here. This page will offer you recommended or suggested offers for you, but you have the choice to close it. So find your best offer to complete. For example, if you click here and you start downloading this one, you will see the progress here on the right side of this page. So we have more offers here, and they are giving discounts for these offers. But in my case, I am not going to download it because it consumes time. If you don't want to complete offers, there's ads here. You only need to watch ads. Finish this ad and you will get 50 G points. So in my case, I have 2,600, and it must be 2,650. Yeah, that is fast. So we have here the coins. Follow the instructions for in order for you to complete this offer. Other offers, which gives average points. You have the offer Toro, many offers here. And if you don't want to complete these offers like this, you will have to watch ads. This is so basic and easy. Watch ads, watch it over and over again, and you will earn 50-50 like that. Then if you want 500 instant, like you enter this code, invite your friends and tell them to enter your code for them to have their first 500 points, and you will receive also the 500 points. So the maximum payout here is $50, which is you need 482,000 coins or points to earn this gift card. So we have there the gift cards, and for today I have no gift card code or link, so I cannot show you this one. And I have already tried this bunch of money apps here, but it wasted my time. So I don't recommend to download some apps here, but I recommend this GReward app. Is it is because it is very easy, it is very fast to earn. So I will show you the recent activity or recent payouts on the other money app that I have. So we are here activity last year in the other money app account. So that is my recommendation to you, that if you completed this offer, plus you watch videos every day, plus you redeem codes or you share your referral code, you will earn this $50. So what are you waiting for? Install this app and make money now. For me, I recommend this app. So download now.